We've been pioneering the commercial drone industry for years. Years of building highly advanced unmanned aerial vehicles. Years of flying missions all around the world. Years of digitizing physical infrastructure and assets. Years of delivering actionable business insights. Years with one thing in mind: reaching perfection. We have succeeded to combine our design, flight operations, and data analysis expertise in order to create the most technologically advanced mapping drone on the market. Meet the Delair UX11. This is the Delair UX11. The smartest flying camera ever made for mapping. Bring drone photogrammetry to a new level.